Hello everyone, today we have got a truly out of this world topic to discuss. Can we grow plant on Mars? It's a question that not only intriguing but also crucial for any human future civilization effort on the red planet. So let's dive right in. Before we start answering this question, let's talk a little bit about Mars and why it's such a hot topic in space exploration. Mars, often called the Red Planet, is our neighboring planet in the solar system. It's Earth's closest celestial neighbor and has been a prime target for human exploration for decades. So, explorers, why Mars is so important? Well, Mars has many similarities to Earth, which make it an option for potential colonization. It has been day-night cycles, season, and even polarized caps. But there's one crucial thing it lacks: a breathable atmosphere. Isn't it fascinating? But here's where things get interesting. Can we grow plant on Mars? And how might that help us overcome some of these challenges? Well, scientists and space agencies like NASA have been exploring this very question. One of the first things researchers had to figure out is whether Martian soil could support plant growth. It turned out Martian soil contains some nutrients necessary for plant growth, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. However, it lacks organic matter and has a high level of toxic compound like perchlorates, which is harmful to plants. Can you believe that? You might remember the famous potato experiment from the movie The Martian. In reality, NASA's Phoenix Mars lander mission did conduct an experiment where they grew mustard plant in the Martian simulant soil. The results were promising, showing that the plant could grow in Mars-like conditions with some help, of course. To make plant grow on Mars is a reality. Scientists are exploring hydroponics and controlled environment. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil using nutrient-rich water. In controlled environment like greenhouses, temperature, humidity, and light can be regulated to create optimal conditions for plant growth. Isn't it fascinating? So, why go through all this trouble to grow plant on Mars? Well, there are several important reasons for it. While we have made some progress, there are still many challenges to overcome. Martian conditions are harsh with extreme temperature, radiation, and dust storms. Additionally, we need to develop efficient method for recycling nutrients and water, which is essential for life. In conclusion, the question, can we grow plants on Mars, is a resounding yes, but it's not without its challenges. Scientists and space agencies are making incredible strides toward making it a reality. The ability to grow plants on Mars could be a critical step in paving the way for the future. That's it for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed this exploration of space,